Hello and welcome to week 4 of my journey through beauty school. Today I have a special surprise for you. As promised, I am going to be unboxing my Dermalogica kit. So make sure you stick around all the way to the end because this is going to be a very fun and brief little video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dominique D. Wilson and you are on a journey with me through beauty school. So as I said, this is week 4. I'm at the Salon Professional Academy in Dallas, studying to become a licensed esthetician here in the great state of Texas. And finally, we've got our kits, which means we can do some hands-on stuff in school. So rumor has it, we are going to be doing a basic facial cleansing routine, and I couldn't be more excited about that. So without further ado, I want to go ahead and dive right into this kit. But before I do, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already so that you can continue this journey with me, and hit the notifications bell, select all notifications so that you can be the first to hear as soon as I upload a new video. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. First kit that we got, and I say first because I didn't know this, it's not just one massive kit. There's a few different kits that we get throughout our journey. So the first one we get applies to our professional skincare line that we're going to be using mainly for facial treatments. And so that is Dermalogica, because our school is a Dermalogica partnered school, and so those are the products that we are going to be working with. This is kind of what it looks like. There are these 2 compartments at the top, and then here, and then under my thumb, whoops, I dropped my brush. There's a whole nother compartment under the bottom with more good stuff. So the first product I want to share with you is the Pre-Cleanse. Pre-Cleanse is like an emulsified oil. Let me put it up here so you can see it. And this goes on before you actually wash your face. You can use this to take off makeup and just any type of dirt and grime, debris off of the skin. It's actually really nice. So it goes on as an oil, you kind of massage it in, and then you wet your hands and it turns milky because it literally self-emulsifies with water, which is pretty cool. And then after that, you go into your cleansing routine. So this is actually really nice to have. I've actually been using the Pre-Cleanse for a while, and I like it. I only use it once a day, like at the end of the day. If I wear makeup, I like to use the Pre-Cleanse and then I cleanse my face. So do kind of like a double cleanse at night. In the mornings, not so much because there's really nothing on your face when you wake up, right? Then we have from the Age Smart line, the Multivitamin Power Recovery Mask. This is more for aging and sensitive skin. And we also have the Solar Defense Booster. I've also been using this all summer as my SPF. This is actually SPF 50. I like it. It's a small bottle, but a little goes a long way. It's very lightweight, and my skin responded very well to it. Moving on to our cleansers, we have our special cleansing gel, which is here. This is pretty much just a daily, can't see it, just a daily cleanser. There we go. To cleanse your face. So I usually do the pre-cleanse at night, and then I use the special cleansing gel. And then we have the multi-active toner, which is just your basic toner that's going to restore your face pH, your skin pH, and kind of rehydrate your skin as you're wrapping up the facial treatment. And the other cleanser we got is the Intensive Moisture Cleanser. This one is more of a creamy cleanser, and it smells really good. This is also from the Age Smart line for more aging sensitive skin. It's the Multivitamin Power Exfoliant. They actually look really cool. Look at that, guys. Yeah, strong stuff. So this is actually probably not something that I would ever personally use because my skin is a little bit more on the oily side, and I can be a little more sensitive. But it's nice to have this in our kit because you know, you never know who's going to walk into the salon, and this can be a great addition to a facial treatment. We also have the Daily Microfoliant. Now this one I actually have used before, and it's a very light powder. It contains like rice enzymes, and you kind of just froth it up a little bit with water and massage it into your face for a couple minutes, and it's actually a really nice addition to my daily skincare regimen. So I'm excited to have that in the kit. So I'm not familiar with all the products, but I have used some of this stuff before because I've been, dabbling around with skincare before I started school. We also have the Active Moist. This is a moisturizer that goes on at the end of the facial treatment. So after you've done your toning and you just want to restore that moisture, we've got the Active Moist from Dermalogica Pro. And then we also have Massage Gel Cream, which can be used during the massage portion of the facial treatment. And we also have the Conductive Mask Base. This one I really like too. It's very hydrating and kind of cooling and calming. So this can be used like with high frequency, or if you just want to, moisturize and soften the face. Exfoliant Accelerator 35. This right here, I believe, is a chemical peel. And yeah, active resurfacer. It's got lactic acid, peptides, and enzymes to boost exfoliation. This is probably something that I would use for my skin type in particular. But of course, we won't be doing this kind of thing until much later in our journey as students. And it's so funny, it says use under direct supervision of instructor, right? Because it's a very strong peel, nothing to play around with. These are professional grade products, not just your over-the-counter stuff. So we've also got multi-active scaling gel. Scaling gel is what you would apply to the skin before you do extractions. And then we have the post-extraction solution to kind of close things up, and it's kind of like an antiseptic to make sure that the skin doesn't become inflamed. You don't want more breakouts. And we also have Calming Botanical Mixer, which is kind of a hydrosol mixed between like water, distilled water, and essential oils or something like that. So it's like a liquid that can be used for hot towels or to kind of mix in with other products. And so that concludes the products that are in here, but I just had to take a second to show you this cute little swag they gave us, which is a Dermalogica apron. Isn't that cute? So it kind of just goes around like this. It's got little pockets in the front. Super adorable. So I definitely will be wearing this once we start working in the salon. Very important, we have the Skin Fitness Plan. This is Dermalogica's consultation kind of pamphlet, where you kind of go through with the client and then write down their treatment plan. You want to take some notes while you're working on them. So we have these, probably about 25 of them come in the kit. A fan brush. The fan brush is for masking, so applying any type of mask. I thought that was really cool. We've got sponges in the kit. It comes with 2 sponges. And most importantly, boom, the book. The book is the Dermalogica catalog, if you will. It has full color pictures of like all the products. There are descriptions of what the product is used for, how to apply it, and how much to use, stuff like that. And it also lists the active ingredients. The only thing about the book is it does not have a complete ingredient list for every single product. So you're gonna need the package for that, or to go on the Dermalogica website if you want the full ingredient list. These are just the highlights. Anyway, it's still helpful because this is something that will help you kind of just like talk through, what you're applying to the skin. So it's great to kind of get familiar with the products. And I like that it's in full color so that you know exactly what you're looking at. So there you have it, guys. That is my Dermalogica kit. I asked about the rest of the stuff we're supposed to be getting. Like we have a makeup kit coming, and I believe a lash kit and something else. That's gonna be later down the road. I couldn't be more excited to get in there and do my first facial cleansing routine. So we'll see how that goes. After school, depending on where you go, there's going to be different costs, and all of them will have costs associated. For instance, like let's say I were going to rent out a booth somewhere. Well, yeah, there's the booth rental fee, right? But what about the square footage of the booth? What can I actually fit in there? That's going to determine what kind of equipment I buy. You want to make sure, of course, that you can afford to do what you want to do, but also that you think smart about what you need to buy and what you don't need to buy, that kind of thing. Thanks again for following me on this journey through beauty school. And if you have any specific questions about what it's like at the Salon Professional Academy, or just in general what beauty school is like, sure you drop a comment below and let me know what your questions are, and I will definitely post those in a future video. Again, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next week for week 5. Peace.